Hello and welcome to Last Food and Barbecue. Let's make some pork belly steaks and pointy cabbage stew. Okay, so I've got about 3 pounds of pork belly here. It's raw, so it's not brined or anything. Cutting them into 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter slices that I'm kind of folding into little U's because I was hoping they were going to keep that shape. They didn't really. Okay, so I'm using the seasoning I got from John, the Strawberries Backyard Steak Shake. It was really good on this. It's got a little bit of a sour taste to it, lemony taste. It was nice. So this is the pointy cabbage. It's also very nice. It's a little bit thinner than white cabbage, but it's good. Okay, so I'm using my wok because I want to let the fat drain down. Heated it to a high heat, and then I started to fry these. In the middle I have a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil to get things going, and I'm rotating the steaks to give them a crust. Once they have a crust, I put them on a baking sheet and throwing them into the oven on what's in my oven called Max Grill, which is 230 or 450 Fahrenheit, and well, it's got a broiler on. In the fat, well, I'm keeping that, of course, I'm frying up the cabbage, and to this I'm adding garlic pepper. It's really good. It's really good. 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cheese and about a cup of, or that's actually exactly a cup of heavy cream. Letting it all simmer for a little bit until everything is soft. And this is what they look like. The U-shape, as you can see, did not really work out. Oh well. Okay, making a plateau of the cabbage, adding the steaks on top. See, I got one that was really nicely shaped, and of course I put it underneath, so I had to move them around. Then I added a little bit of salad, and it was time to taste it.
There we go, some pork belly steaks with, I have to read it, Strawberries Backyard Steak Shake on it. Let's try it. Pork belly is good. And I'm going to try this cream stewed, well, I don't know, pointy cabbage. Really nice, rich, full of flavor. This is really good. Thank you, John. I'm gonna try the rest of them very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.